Hello, my name's Jason. I'm a designer and illustrator who's been drawing Mario ever since I came out of the warp pipe. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw the pudgy plumber using just 4 simple shapes. By the end of the video, you'll make something like this. Let's go! So, to draw Mario, you only need to know how to draw 4 simple shapes. A circle, a squiggle, a line, and an arc. I like to think of these as symbols, as these simple shapes will be used to represent Mario's different facial features. Okay, let's start with Mario's head, which is just a super simple circle. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Make sure the circle's big enough to fit Mario's facial features, like his nose, big moustache, and his eyes. On each side of the circle, I'm going to draw 2 smaller circles which represent Mario's ears. And the last circle I'm going to draw is Mario's nose, which sits right in the middle of his face. Above the nose, I'm going to draw 2 slanted lines to represent Mario's eyes. But if you want, you can do 2 upside down arches, or you could even do a circle within a circle. Now we're going to move on to Mario's hat, which is made up of a series of arches which connect from Mario's left ear to his right. I'm going to start with a wide arch that cuts through the top of Mario's head. On top of this arch, I'm adding a shorter, thinner one alongside the letter M, which will go inside. And then, to cap it off, I'm drawing one final larger arch above the previous 2. Now we're going to use a squiggle to draw Mario's bushy moustache, which sits underneath his nose. Make sure you express yourself through your squiggly line. And finally, I'm going to add 2 squiggles to the side of Mario's head, which represent Mario's hair which peeks out to the sides. Let's add some colour. To paint Mario's head, you'll need some shades of brown, beige, pink and red, as well as a basic black for his moustache and eyebrows. Start simple with these colours, but then feel free to play around with shading and texture. And just like that, you've drawn your very own Mario. I hope you've had fun drawing with me, and let me know which Mushroom Kingdom character you'd like to draw next. Thanks again for watching, and see you next time.